For offenses falling under the jurisdiction of municipal trial courts and municipal circuit trial courts, prosecution is instituted A. By filing a complaint directly with the regional trial court. B. By filing a complaint directly with the court. C. By filing a complaint with the chief of police in the municipality. D. By filing a complaint with the fiscal for preliminary investigation. Answer B. By filing a complaint directly with the court. With respect to minor traffic violations, the traffic police officers should be guided foremost by the consideration that A. Some traffic violations are intended. B. The aim is to discourage violations. C. Some traffic violations are caused by negligence. D. Violations must be punished. Answer C. Some traffic violations are caused by negligence. The scientific analysis of the causes of crimes and the criminal behavior. A. Etiology of crime. B. Sociology of law. C. Penology. D. Sociology. Answer A. Etiology of crime. A wanted to kill C. The former pointed his gun at the latter. As A pressed the trigger, the gun jammed and C managed to escape. This is an example of A. Frustrated felony. B. Attempted felony. C. Consummated and frustrated. D. Consummated felony. Answer B. Attempted felony. The act that provides the National Police Commission to conduct police examination is A. RA 2260. B. RA 6040. C. RA 4864. D. RA 6141. Answer B. RA 6040. The maximum tenure of the office of the Chief of PNP or the Director General of the PNP is A. 4 years. B. 6 years. C. 5 years. D. 8 years. Answer A. 4 years. In the attrition system of the PNP, the maximum tenure of the PNP Regional Director is A. 4 years. B. 6 years. C. 5 years. D. 8 years. Answer B. 6 years. What should be conducted in order to determine whether a case falls under the jurisdiction of the regional trial court? A. Inquest proceeding. B. Preliminary conference. C. Preliminary investigation. D. Search and seizure. Answer C. Preliminary investigation. What is the Latin term for criminal intent? A. Mens rea. B. Magna culpa. C. In flagrante delicto. D. Mala ense. Answer A. Mens rea. In simple sense, it is the act of deciding in advance on what is to be done and how it is to be accomplished. It is in essence preparation for action. A. Operations. B. Management. C. Planning. D. Administration. Answer C. Planning.